This video is all about finding the value of tan 22 and a half. Now, to do this we need to apply trigonometric identity. So, let's begin. Now, we know that tan A plus B is equal to sine A plus B divided by cos A plus B. Then sine A plus B is the same thing as sine A cos B plus sine B cos A divided by, then cos A plus B is the same thing as cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Now, dividing both the numerator and the denominator by this term. Now, let's begin. Say sine A cos B divided by cos A is B plus sine B cos A divided by cos A cos B, all divided by cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B minus sine A sine B divided by cos A cos B. Now, if you look thoroughly, you have sine A divided by cos A, then this will cancel out. You have plus. Now, if you look at this thoroughly again, you see this cos A will cancel out. They are the same there. So now you're left with sine B divided by cos B all over. Now, if you look at this thoroughly, you see that these are the same, so you to cancel out, you have 1 minus. Now you have here, you have sine A divided by cos A times sine B divided by cos B. Now, according to trigonometric identity, you know that tan of an angle is equal to the sine of that angle divided by the cos of that angle. That's same angle. So now that means this is the same thing as tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So since we have gotten this, that means tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now let's assume A is equal to B. So wherever we see B, we replace it with A. So now you now have tan A plus A is equal to tan A plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A tan A. So this is the same thing as saying tan A plus tan A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A times tan A is tan A squared. So we now have this. So now that means tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So since we have gotten this expression, now Now let's look at, we are looking for 22 and a half. If you multiply 22 and a half by 2, you have what? 45. So let's say this is A. So that means 2A, like 2A is equal to 45. Then A is what? Is 22 and a half. So from this understanding, now we have gotten this to be, now it now implies that since 2A is equal to what? 45, and A is equal to 22 and a half, that means tan 45 is equal to 2 tan 22 and a half divided by 1 minus tan square 22 and a half. Based on this expression here. So now let's tan 22 and a half be equal to P. So wherever we see tan 22 and a half, we put P there. Then now we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. From here is 45, here is 45, here is 1, 1, this is root 2. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So now let's now substitute these values into this equation. So you now have 1 is equal to 2p divided by 1 minus p squared. Now if we multiply both sides of this equation by the denominator here, by this, you now have 1 minus p squared times 1 is equal to 2p all over 1 minus p squared times 1 minus p squared. So now this will cancel out this. You now have 1 minus p squared equal to 2p. Now moving this whole thing to this other side, you now have p squared plus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now applying quadratic formula, you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So that with this x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from this, comparing these two expressions, it shows that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 1. So now let's substitute these values of this constant into this equation. We now have p to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 divided by what? 2. So you now have minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 4 divided by 2. So we now have minus 2 plus minus the square root of what? 8 all over 2. Now this is the same thing as saying minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 2 all over 2, and this is the same thing as minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. So we now have minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2, because the square root of 4 is 2, so that is how we got this. So this is it. So now this is what we get. So now if we factor this out, you now have 2 into minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 2 divided by 2. So we now have minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. Because these two will cancel out this, you have this. That means our P is equal to minus 1 plus the square root of 2 or minus 1 minus the square root of 2. If you look critically, tan 22.5 is an acute angle. Tan is positive at the first quadrant. And the acute angle is at the first quadrant. So this one is not part of the solution. So the solution is this. So that means tan 22.5 is equal to the square root of 2 minus 1. So this is the final answer. This is the right answer. So thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day.